Hello viewers, how are you? What's up? So today we learn how to get Canva Pro Premium team link. It's totally free. Then this link will be updated daily when the team member limit, then it's newly. So you can get easily Canva Pro from this website. So this website name is pixeltech24. So this website URL is pixeltech24.com. So this page link I will provide this page link on my video description box and comment box. You can find this page link on pin comment and description box. So when you click the link you will land this page, then scroll down and you can see there is a button. There is a download now button. So there is a download now button. So see this button. If this button not showing, wait 20 second or 15 second, then you can see the download button is showed. Then you can click this download now button. Then you will be automatically redirect on your Canva application. If this application is not installed, and you can join on your Chrome or any other browser. When I click this join team, I will add this team. So I have already, so I do not need this. So please subscribe our channel for next. So this is for 1 month. If you need next month, please subscribe our channel and bell the notification button for next update. So thank you.